All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to tackle one of the biggest challenges every single trader faces, finding the right price. We're going to look at two totally different ways of doing this. First, the old school, classical way, and then a really interesting newer method that uses something called auto-UFOs. Let's get into it. It doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, crypto, or Forex. It doesn't matter what your strategy is. At the end of the day, there's one core challenge. Getting this right is, well, pretty much everything. And here it is. It all comes down to these two simple but incredibly hard questions. What's the perfect price to buy? And what's the perfect price to sell? I mean, if you could answer those every time, you'd be set, right? So, how do traders usually try to figure this out? Well, for a long, long time, the go-to method has been to look backward, to look at the past. This is what we all know as classical technical analysis. It's really the foundation for so many trading strategies you see out there. The textbook definition pretty much says it all. Technical analysis is all about trying to predict the future by studying the past. It's the art of looking at old charts, finding patterns that you recognize, and basically betting that history is going to repeat itself. So yeah, that's the bottom line. The whole philosophy is what happened before will probably happen again. This is where you get all those classic support and resistance lines. But what if there's another way to look at it? A way that isn't focused on the past at all, but on what big players are planning to do right now. And that brings us to a really big shift in thinking. Instead of trying to analyze the squiggly lines left behind by the entire market, what if we just focused on what the biggest players are doing? The institutions, the huge funds, the big money. This quote right here is key. Think about it. When a massive hedge fund wants to buy $1 billion worth of something, they can't just hit one big buy button. If they did, the price would skyrocket instantly. They're just too big. So what's the result of that? Well, this slide shows it perfectly. Since they have to break up their trades into smaller pieces, they often leave behind these huge stacks of unfilled orders at certain price levels. You can almost think of them as footprints of where they intend to do business later. So these leftover footprints, these stacks of orders, they actually have a name. And even better, there's a tool out there that's designed specifically to find them and shine a spotlight on these hidden market zones. They're called Unfilled Orders, or for short, UFOs. And these aren't just some historical pattern. No, these are live pending orders. They're sitting there right now, just waiting for the price to come back to that level so they can get filled. And that's where this tool, AutoUFOs, comes into play. It has an algorithm that scans the market data, finds these zones of unfilled orders, and then automatically draws them on your chart as these little oval shapes. And yeah, with a name like UFO, of course they got the nickname flying saucers. The way you read them is super simple. If you see a green oval, a green UFO, that's a potential hotspot for unfilled buy orders. If you see a red one, it's a potential zone of unfilled sell orders. It's like having a map of future supply and demand. Okay, now take a look at this chart. The market's been dropping, the news is bad, so most people are probably thinking sell, sell, sell. But then, look what happens. Price hits a specific level and just boom! It reverses and shoots straight up. Why? Well, it probably just slammed into a massive zone of unfilled buy orders, a big green UFO that soaked up all the selling pressure and sent the price flying. So now we've got these two totally different ways of thinking. One is like being an archaeologist, digging up old patterns from the past. The other is more like being a detective, looking for clues about what the big players intend to do in the future. Let's put them head to head. This slide right here, this is the whole game. Classical analysis is backward-looking. It's drawing lines based on where the price turned a week ago or a month ago and just hoping it does it again. The auto-UFOs approach is forward-looking. It doesn't really care what happened last year. It cares about the live orders sitting in the market right now. It's a fundamental shift from analyzing history to analyzing intent. Now, just spotting these UFOs is only the first part of the puzzle. For this to really work, it can't just be some random signal you jump on. It has to be part of a repeatable, structured process. So let's take a quick peek at what that looks like. So here's a little glimpse into how it's used in a real system. You're not just blindly buying or selling every UFO you see. You're often using multiple time frames, maybe confirming with another indicator like a moving average. The whole point is to build a solid case for a trade, not just react to a single shape on a chart. And really, this is the end goal, to build something like this, a full-on flowchart for making decisions. This is how you take trading from being emotional, from being guesswork, and you turn it into a much more mechanical, step-by-step process where you know exactly what you're looking for. So we'll wrap up with this thought. What if you could stop chasing the ghosts of old price charts and instead start identifying the footprints of where the price might be headed? It's a pretty powerful idea to think about. Thanks for tuning in.
If our videos help you stay sharp episode after episode, hit pause, like, subscribe, and keep learning. Your support means a lot to us.